Buksan po natin Biblia sa Matthew chapter 12 verses 1 to 13. Verse 1. At that time, Jesus went through the grain fields on the Sabbath, and his disciples were hungry and began to pluck heads of grain and to eat. And when the Pharisees saw it, they said to him, "Look, your disciples are doing what is not lawful to do on the Sabbath." But he said to them, "Have you not read what David did when he was hungry, he and those who were with him? How he entered the house of God and ate the showbread, which was not lawful for him to eat, nor for those who were with him, but only for the priest. Or have you not read in the law that on the Sabbath the priests in the temple profane the Sabbath and are blameless? Yet I say to you that in this place there is one greater than the temple. But if you had known what this means, I desire mercy and not sacrifice, you would not have condemned the guiltless. For the Son of Man is Lord even of the Sabbath." Now when he had departed from there, he went into their synagogue, and behold, there was a man who had a withered hand, and they asked him, saying, "Is it lawful to heal on the Sabbath?" That they might accuse him. Then he said to them, "What man is there among you who has one sheep, and if it falls into a pit on the Sabbath, will not lay hold of it and lift it out? Oh, how much more the value then is the man than a sheep? Therefore, it is lawful to do good on the Sabbath." Then he said to the man, "Stretch out your hand." And he stretched it out, and it was restored as whole as the other. Then the Pharisee went out and plotted against him how they might destroy him. So sa mga bersikulo na nabasa natin, malinaw ito ay tungkol sa Sabat. Ang kakaibang opinyon ng mga Hudyo at ng mga panahon na yon ay dinagdagan ng mga Pariseyo ng mga tradisyon ng tao. Hindi rin ito inalis ng Panginoong Hesus ang pagtupad ng weekly Sabbath. Iniligtas niya tayo sa mga maling kahulugan at dinagdagan ng mga gawang tao, mga tradisyon na to. Pinayagan din niya na gawin ang work of necessity and mercy na maaring gawin on the Sabbath day. Naisulat din ito sa Biblia. Halimbawa, si Jesus at mga disipulo niya ay dumaan sa bukirin at ng mga trigo ng araw ng Sabat, nagutom at pumitas ng mga uhay at kumain. Sa verse 10, ang taong tuyo ang kamay ay pinagaling ni Jesus. Pinaalala din niya ang mga Pariseyo nang si David at ang kanyang tauhan ay kumain ng tinapay na handog nang sila ay nagugutom. Pinapaalala din niya sa atin ang mga pari sa araw ng Sabat ay pumatay ng hayop at naghandog ng mga sakripisyo. Ang tupa din na nahulog sa hukay ay kailangan sagipin sa araw din ng Sabat. Huwag din tayo matukso na mawalang galang o ibaba ang tingin sa banal na araw ng Sabat. Huwag din natin abusuhin ang ating laya o liberty na kunyari sa araw ng Sabat gagawa tayo ng necessity at mercy. Ngunit sa katotohanan ay ginagawa natin ito para magbigay kasiyahan sa atin. Huwag din natin kalimutan ang puntirya natin na panatiliing banal ang araw ng Sabat.